can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Bitcoin reached its highest price so far in October, surging above $64,000 early on October 14 and liquidating over $52 million from those betting its price will fall. Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin is up 7.4%. Over the last 1 year, Bitcoin has rallied up by 139%. And the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has pumped above $64,000, giving it a 2.3% rise to the upside. Right now, Bitcoin trades above its 200-day moving average. Right now, Bitcoin is trying to go one more time to pump to new all-time highs. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $73,000 in 2024. But Bitcoin has spent majority of 2024 ranging. Even though we have been ranging at a very high price, market participants have been sad at the performance of Bitcoin because they have been expecting Bitcoin to give an outrageous pump to the moon. When Bitcoin was getting to $73,000, the general consensus in the market was $100,000 was around the corner. But what happened after that? Bitcoin stayed dumping to gobbling down, and slowly over the course of around 7 to 8 months, Bitcoin has not been able to break above all-time highs, with Bitcoin even getting to as low as $49,000 at some point in time. But right now, Bitcoin is making another move to the upside. Right now, good times are returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is up on a daily, on a weekly, on a monthly, and on a yearly time frame. Calls for $100,000 are starting to resurface. But guys, there's worrying signs for Bitcoin on the horizon. Even though Bitcoin bears are getting liquidated front, left, and center, Bitcoin search volume drops to yearly low while Memecoin surges. Memecoin experienced double-digit gains during September 2024, primarily driven by new token creation on Solana and Tron network. And right now, we are seeing Memecoins on Ethereum even pump crazy. In the last 1 week, we've seen XPX 6900 go up 120%. We've seen Euro go up 38%. Guys, if you go on a monthly and a yearly time frame, it's so obvious that meme coins have been the play of this cycle. Just in the last 1 month alone, XPX 6900 is up 3,500%. Just in the last 1 month alone, Nero launched on Binance is up over 5,600%. $1,000 put in any of these projects just about a month ago would have returned more than $35,000. You can now understand why Bitcoin might be having troubles rallying to new all-time highs in the coming days and the coming weeks. Yes, we're having a good time. We're having a rally in Bitcoin. But remember, guys, there's a lot of resistance for Bitcoin along the way. If a new market participant gets in, what he'll be thinking is making new profits. And from where Bitcoin is currently trading, for it to break to new all-time highs, Bitcoin will need to rally by around 13%. And a 13% move for Bitcoin is a lot. But a lot of these meme coins have tiny market caps. XPX 6900 that is up 3,500% in the last 1 month still just has a market cap of less than $1 billion. For context sake, Bitcoin's market cap sits at around $1.27 trillion. So it requires a lot of capital to move Bitcoin market cap. I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin's rally stall below $70,000. Yes, we're having a good time for Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks. Yes, Bitcoin even has a slim chance of getting to new all-time highs. I will not be shocked if that happens. But guys, it's very important for you to pay attention to what Bitcoin does when we get to the $1.31 trillion market cap region. Best case scenario, we see Bitcoin's market cap getting to as high as $1.349 trillion in US dollars price. That's equivalent of Bitcoin getting almost to $7,000. These are Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for Bitcoin in March of 2024 to the bottom that came in for Bitcoin here in August of 2024. Bitcoin rallies to its 0.786 retracement level. That will be Bitcoin trading at $68,400. Right now, the main target for Bitcoin will be to see it past the $6,635 level. If Bitcoin doesn't rally above that $6,635, Bitcoin is still kind of bearish, and anything that takes Bitcoin price, guys, below the September low, that's anything that starts taking Bitcoin price below $52,000, the cycle is over. But right now, good times are returning slowly but surely. Bitcoin is up above $64,000. The bears are getting liquidated. Even though we are seeing Bitcoin search volume drops, Bitcoin indecisiveness could drive investors to Sui, Aptos, Tor, and Weave. That's another worrying sign. If you are holding Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been performing well over the last 1 year, over the last 2 years. Bitcoin dominance has just been rising to higher values. The last 2 years has seen Bitcoin dominance go from as low as 38%. Right now, Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market sits at around 58%. So you can understand the bullishness market participants have on Bitcoin. But guys, at some point in time, Bitcoin dominance will start dumping, and I have a sneaky feeling we're very, very close to that point in time where Bitcoin dominance will start dumping. And this article is expressing that feeling because this article is saying we might see all coins pumping. Bitcoin range-bound action looks set to continue, but Sui, Aptos, Tower, and Wave could rally higher over the coming days. You have to ask yourself, will the new market participant want to buy Bitcoin and hold it rallying from $64,000 to maybe even $80,000, which is less than a 50% pump? Or will they want to buy an altcoin that they can see their money go up 20%, 30%, 50% in the space of 1 week? Altcoins are very volatile because of that. They can have huge gains very, very quickly. At the same time, those huge gains can easily turn to huge losses. But Bitcoin price returns stands apart from the crowd. That's what NYDIG is saying. Bitcoin is the standard asset for its return compared with other asset class despite its volatility. Bitcoin is the best performing asset for return despite its volatility, according to New York Digital Investment Group. So even though Bitcoin might not be having those gains, this altcoins will give, Bitcoin has been performing well, and year to date, Bitcoin is even doing better than a lot of those altcoins. It's just that right now, we are in the vibe in the market where people want returns. Bitcoin has underperformed, even though we have seen a 4x return from the bottom for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has gone from $15,500. Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $73,000. But market participants are used to huge gains like we saw in the previous bull run where Bitcoin went up 20x. The bull run before that, Bitcoin went up more than 100x. That's the kind of pumps we came to the crypto market for, and that's the kind of pumps meme coins are giving right now. So in the coming days and coming weeks, even though Bitcoin might do very well, you have to watch out for that $66,000 level. Bitcoin's market cap hitting that $1.35 trillion level. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Even though sentiment is neutral right now, how bullish are you on the price of Bitcoin? Do you think we can get to $100,000 before the end of the year? Or are you bearish just like me and you see Bitcoin going for one final rally before that dump to Goblin Town starts? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.